going to be using this primer here. So this is so I'm going to be focusing wherever I have like deep pores and all of that. The foundation I'm going to be using today is a classic one that I used to wear all the time back in high school. Hello? Oh my god. So you apply some pretty much everywhere. What? Oh my god. That looks so weird. Okay, so use your beauty blender, blend everywhere. So the next thing you want to do is cover up all the dark circles and imperfections. So what I'm going to be using today is concealer from Maybelline. You apply some wherever you feel you need it. You see that little highlight it just gives you naturally before even applying any powder. Guys, I got this mirror from Home Sense Winners. It's the best thing I've purchased for the longest time because I can do my video and look at myself without holding a mirror. How amazing. So the next thing, I had this product for the longest time and I think I stole it from my sister. Because I don't remember using this, but it's pretty much used. Hey, it's okay. I want it to be a little thicker so I can change the shape. Okay, so we're going to be using the gel. And this is going to set your brows. Now, for my eyes, I'm going to be using this. And it's from CoverGirl True Naked Nude. I'm going to use this color in the middle here. So I'm going to put some on my crease. Okay, so the next color, I want to come and grab this matte brown shade. Like a little darker than this one here. And apply some over that other color. Okay, so now with the same color, I'm going to apply some under my lower lashes to frame my eyes. Okay, so I'm going to be using this one here, this super pretty, I don't even know what color it is, but this one here. This one here. It's going to go in the middle of my lids. How gorgeous. So I'm gonna grab like the darkest shade and I'm gonna apply some like really in the corners, and I'm gonna apply the same color on my lower lashes but only in the outer corner, so right here, just so it can like reach and blend with the top part. So let's use this one here and we're gonna apply some on the inner corners. So the makeup look I created on my picture, I had a super nice liquid liner. So for the eyeliner, I couldn't find anything from the drugstore, but I only found this here. It's a black pencil from Annabelle. So let's do it with this because I really wanted to use only drugstore products, of course. So I'm going to do my liner with this. So a nice little big liner. And trust me, I use long liners pencils back in the day, you know. Those are my favorite ever. Okay, one super important thing that we shouldn't forget is in my picture I had those super pointy black liner in the front of my eyes, so you want to do the same. And I had some black liner as well. So let's apply this, and my god, it's been forever since I've done that. Woo. So I'm going to be using my powder, my compact powder from Clarins under the eyes. Pretty much everywhere. One Highlight and Contour Pro palette. I'm going to be using I'm going to mix this shade with hold on. Yeah, I'm going to mix these two shades together and gently contour. I like to blend my contouring so it can look even more blended and more natural with a bronzer like this. Something that is a little closer to my skin tone. And this one is from Lancome, Color Ideal. Everything together. You know, I'm gonna be contouring with another brush. Oh my god, I just had a nose job under 2 minutes. I'm going to be using this one here from Lise Wattier, and it's the color Beige du Désert 95. It's a very pretty peachy nude color. Just a tiny bit goes a long way. So the highlighter I'm going to be using is the one from L'Oreal. It's called Crushed Foil. Oh my god, look at this, guys. So shiny, so pretty. Ooh, that's too much. That's okay. So the lashes I'm going to be using is the ones from Ardell Professional Natural, this one here. Okay, so while these are drying a little, you are going to apply your lip liner. And the one I'm using today is the one from Rimmel London. Now I'm ready to apply my lipstick. Yes, it's from Rimmel, and it's the 500 Diva Red. No, it's not matte, but it's okay. But I love it. Wow, it's been forever since I had red lipstick. I love it. Oh my god, my lashes. Oh my god, my lashes. No! The glue is officially dry. Okay, let's reapply some glue. So the mascara I'm going to be using is the one from Essence, this one here. So I'm not going to apply the top part because it's not dry yet, but I'm going to go over my lower lash line, lashes I mean. So the more mascara you apply for this look, the better it is. So you can exaggerate as much as you want. So this is the final look, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I would like for you guys to tell me if you guys prefer these kind of videos when I talk live with you guys, or you prefer voiceovers. So thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to press that little bell button so every time I post a new video you guys can be notified. Thank you.